Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still am very bullish overall on these higher time frames, even though we've been going down for pretty much 2 months now. I still think there's a very good chance that it is going to go up and complete this ABC of Y, which will most likely take out the higher wave W and maybe even the higher wave 4 back here before we get another big push to continue the downtrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where we still got our Fibonacci retracement on here because I'm still expecting this is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y based on what I see on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we're definitely still trending down as you can see, and we're kind of right in the middle of two fib levels. So I mean, if this does go up and if it does break structure, that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer and probably a buyer for quite some time because that most likely will tell us that the wave 2 is over. Now, unless I get that structure break to the upside, I am definitely continuing to look for shorts. At this point, it kind of seems pretty likely that it'll go at least go down to the 78.6, and then if it goes up and breaks structure at the 78.6, then that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. Long story short, until I see a nice reason to start looking for longs on this daily time frame and up, I personally am going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So we're definitely making a little bit of a push up, but like I said, we're kind of right in the middle of two fib levels. So unless this just keeps on going up and breaks structure to the upside in a big way, I definitely am going to continue to look for shorts. I would definitely be looking at this move up as possibly a cut into this move down, and I would definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. Like I said, I do definitely expect to see more sorting opportunities. So if I see three waves up, something like this right here, 1, 2, and 3, then I am definitely going to take it as a short. Now I'm more of a swing slash day trader, so if you are like a scalper, then you could definitely be looking for longs at the end of a wave B to trade the wave C. And then if this is not a wave C and it turns into a big wave 3 and just keeps on going and takes out this structure, that's going to be like a bonus trade for you. But for me, as more of a swing slash day trader, I am definitely waiting for three waves up. I'm waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm waiting for a big engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure, preferably, to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend, which I will continue to look for shorts until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.